Our Hiligaynon word for the day is 𝗢𝗢. When we say 𝗢𝗢, that means mouth. Mapisan siya sing 𝗢𝗢. She is a great chatterbox. Mapisan siya sing 𝗢𝗢. Pamakba, that means to talk too much, to tell stories, or to let out secrets. Pamakba. Hindi ka magpamakba. That means don't talk too much or don't let out secrets. Hindi ka magpamakba. Sino ang namakba sina? Sino ang namakba sina? That means who told that or who blurted it out. Sino ang namakba sina? And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, 𝗢𝗢. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.